Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Kraken Support. Whether you're dealing with a login issue, withdrawal delay, or verification problem, Kraken's support team is there to help. First of all, open up your Kraken application on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. From the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you do that, from the Accounts tab, scroll down and tap on Support. Under Support, you can go ahead and select from the Help by Topic category, find the topic you need help with, and go through the FAQs. If you want to chat directly with Kraken Support team, tap the Chat with Us button at the bottom of the screen, and then go ahead and type in your message. You will then be able to find relevant answers from the support team. If you want to contact them via email, you can go ahead and send an email to support@kraken.com directly. You can then include your registered email address, clear description of the issue, and any relevant screenshots or IDs if requested. And that's how you can easily contact Kraken Support in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.